downtown Honolulu, including the state capital, Honolulu Harbor, Honolulu International Airport.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin and take your seats.
A beach and Barbers Point. As the aircraft makes its 180-degree turn for its approach into Honolulu Airport, on the left-hand side of the aircraft, the Waianae Mountain Range and the Leeward Coast will come into view. Shortly before landing, and again on the left-hand side of the aircraft, Pearl Harbor comes into view. Pearl Harbor is the headquarters for the U.S. Pacific Fleet. There at Pearl Harbor is Ford Island, and just below Ford Island, to the right, you might get a glimpse of a white floating structure. Of course, that white floating structure, the Arizona Memorial. Haina mai kapuana, my story has been told. Aloha e kumamai kako o Hawaii. Welcome everyone to Hawaii.
Exactly. Except